Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Techno Talks here. So today I'm going to be doing another case unboxing, and this time I'm going to be unboxing a battery case. The reason for this is not because I've been having battery issues. It's mainly because sometimes, you might not have a charger next to you, or you might be in an area where you're not going to be able to charge your device up. So this is basically going to give you like a day or two of extra battery life if you're using it correctly. So, I've been looking around for a while, and recently I saw this Mophie juice pack right here. It says 32 plus hours. It's for my Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, and you're still able to wireless charge your device. So that's pretty nice. Wireless charging, I actually use it a lot. So being able to use it still is going to be a really nice thing. So let's talk about some of the things on this, some of the stuff or how much battery life this case has. So it says 115 hours of music playback, 32 hours of talk time, 23 hours of video playback, 17 hours of web browsing. So these are the bare minimum. Let me just tell you guys that. So you might hear most companies saying they have like 20 hours of battery life or something, but in reality it's not going to be that. That's basically the bare minimum. So you might not get what it says right here, but you're still going to get extra battery life. So it says Qi enabled wireless power, so you're still able to use your wireless charging, high impact protection, low profile design, all that other stuff. And charge and sync, which is nice. So you're able to connect other things with it or charge your phone first. So let's open this up. I was looking around for a while and I finally saw this like slim one. I was looking for a slim charging case. You guys might know Zero Lemon. They have some nice battery packs as well. However, those are pretty thick cases and I didn't want a thick case. So let's get on with it and let's open this case up. If we're able to open it up. Okay, so let's get, whatever. Let's just take all this out. And we have this other box in here. So there's nothing else in here, I believe. Let's see. Nope, nothing else. We just have our case right here. We're presented with our case first. I'm not sure if they have a charger with them. I hope they do. If they don't, it's not that big of a deal. It's still a USB-C charger. So this just shows you how to use it, how to put in your case and everything. So not too important. You don't need to read this if you already know how to put it in a case, which you probably already do. So I don't hear any charger in here. It's okay, USB-C charging. So let's get on with it. Case looks nice. Overall, it's pretty slim compared to other battery cases I've seen. And it has that wireless charging logo right there, so you're still able to use wireless charging. I'm not sure if you're able to use reverse wireless charging though. So if you're not, I'm gonna be kind of disappointed, but not too much, since I do use this sometimes with my Galaxy Buds, but I don't use it too much. So it's not gonna be that big of a disappointed. So we have, let's check out this case real quick. So we have the buttons right here, all the button placements obviously. We have our USB-C port right there, so you can plug your phone in there. And we have speaker grills right here. So I'm guessing that you don't have your speaker grills right there and they just allow the sound to pass through there. And it's actually better, I believe, because it's going to be facing towards me. And when I'm watching something, that's better, and I'm not going to be able to cover it up. So since when you're holding your phone like this, sometimes you tend to cover up the speaker grill down here and you're only getting sound from the top part. So that's actually pretty nice, that they thought of it. I guess let's get my S10 Plus. So I have my S10 Plus right here. Let me take it out of its case real quick. The phone right here. And so we have to pull this part off. Easy as that. And slide our phone in real quick. If I do this correctly. Okay. So I believe we have gotten the charger to connect. And now we can put the top part back in. If I can manage to do that. And yes. So pretty easy, not that hard. Overall, it does add weight to it, so it does feel a little heavier, obviously, since you're getting a whole battery on there. However, not too thick. It's almost around two phones, maybe a phone and a half. And it's only this part where you're holding it, so it's okay. It's not too bad. I'm still able to access all my buttons easily. Let's just do a click test real quick. No one wants to touch the Bixby button anyway, so overall, not that hard to press the buttons. We're still able to put in our headphone jack right here, and that's nice, so we're not losing any of that. Speaker grill's right there. Let's see if this turns on real quick. Are we charging? We're not charging yet. Do we have to hold it? I guess it is good sometimes to read it. And we're charging. As you can see, we're charging. So that's normal charging right there. We're not getting fast charge, but I believe you're able to use fast charging when you connect your normal charger in there. So I'll probably test that out after this video. However, if what it says is correct on the box, and it probably is, if you're getting it from Mophie, they're not lying about too much. I guess they're not lying about anything that they're branding. You'll probably be able to do fast charging and wireless charging. I'll be testing that out as well. Those probably both work. I have watched other videos about this case anyway, so in those videos it did work, so I'm guessing that that's gonna work. So you're able to, it first charges your phone, and what that means is you're able to get fast charging if you use your normal cable that came with your phone, or if you use another fast charging charging brick. So wireless charging works as well from what I've seen. I'll be testing that out. I might let you guys know. I might even put it down in the description after I do it. And overall, that's about it. You know, I'm feeling good about this case. It's not the slimmest, but it is one of the slimmer versions of any other battery case that you might find out there. So I'm overall happy with this case. I feel it has great quality. It has a great feel to it. It's like this matte finish. It's like a matte, yeah, I guess a matte finish. It's pretty nice. It looks pretty sleek anyways. And I guess that's all about I can say about this case. Overall, I'm feeling happy about it. I only paid 20 bucks for this. I'll probably leave a link down below in the description if you want to get one of these. They also make it for all the other Galaxy phones, all the other S versions and the Note versions. And if you have an iPhone, you're still able to get it. So that's about it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.